See language keywords and identifiers. Character set. A character set is a set of alphabets, letters and some special characters that are valid in C language. Alphabets. C accepts both lowercase and uppercase alphabets as variables and functions. Digits. 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Special characters. Special characters in C programming are listed below. White space characters. Blank space, new line, horizontal tab, carriage return, and form feed. C keywords. Keywords are predefined, reserved words used in programming that have special meanings to the compiler. Keywords are part of the syntax and they cannot be used as an identifier. For example, int money. Here, int is a keyword that indicates money as a variable of type int, integer. As C is a case-sensitive language, all keywords must be written in lowercase. C keywords. Here is a list of all keywords allowed in C language. Auto, double, int, struct, break, else, long, switch, case, enum, register, typedef, char, extern, return, union, continue, for, signed, void, do, if, static, while, default, goto, size of, volatile, const, float, short, unsigned. C identifiers. Identifier refers to name given to entities such as variables, functions, structures, etc. Identifiers must be unique. They are created to give a unique name to an entity to identify it during the execution of the program. For example, int money, double account balance. Here, money and account balance are identifiers. Also remember, identifier names must be different from keywords. You cannot use int as an identifier because int is a keyword. Rules for naming identifiers. A valid identifier can have letters, uppercase and lowercase letters, digits and underscores. The first letter of an identifier should be either a letter or an underscore. You cannot use keywords like int, while etc. as identifiers. There is no rule on how long an identifier can be. However, you may run into problems in some compilers if the identifier is longer than 31 characters. Did you find it useful? Follow us on Instagram, Facebook, and YouTube for more amazing content. Thank you for watching. See you guys in another amazing content.